G'day guys, it's Shane here from Escape Trekking Adventures. Today I'm just going to talk about your waterproof hard shells, cleaning them, the durable water repellency and how to reapply that durable water repellency. So all your garments, they come with a durable water repellency coating on the outside, or most of the modern tech garments. The job of that durable water repellency is to actually make water bead up and run off the jacket. This coating that's applied in the factory does wear down over time, so water then will soak into the garment, make the garment feel heavy, can start to make you feel a little bit clammy and wet on the inside. A lot of people believe that their jacket has failed, the membrane. However, the membrane's usually okay, and it's a durable water repellency that's failed. So you can do a few things to fix that. You can firstly clean them. You clean them with specific products. Gear8 has one called ProClean. Nikwax has another one called TechWash. These go in your washing machine. Your washing machine will need to be cleaned out spotlessly. Get rid of all the soap suds and clean them right out. Then you're going to put them in. You sort of want to do 2, 3, 4 garments as an absolute maximum for your washing machines, depending on the size. You need to do them on a sort of around 40 degrees Celsius, so a warm cycle. And then usually you want to keep your water height around medium. You don't want it to be high. It'll dilute the cleaning context too much, and you'll have to add more. So you'll wash it on that cycle. In where your fabric softener goes, you can even put in durable water repellency coatings like this from Storm. This is called Eco Plus Proofer. These go in your fabric softener compartment. Once you've finished cleaning it, you can then look at trying to improve the durable water repellency by putting them in a dryer and applying heat. However, not all garments are suitable, so you need to read the care cycle or the care instructions on your garment. The other thing you can do is reapply that durable water repellency coating. There's a couple of products out there. Nikwax has the TX Direct Spray On. Granger's has got a Performance Repel, and there's a few others out there as well. So if your garment's long gone and that coating is really worn off, you'll need to wet your garment, so ideally after you wash it, then spray on the direct or durable water repellency coating, wipe away all the excess, and then leave it to dry. So I'll give you some demos of applying the DWR on some jackets and pants. Wet cloth, and I'm going to wipe the excess off the jackets and pants, and then I'll leave them to dry. So now the durable water repellency coating has been reapplied. I sprayed that with water and you can see it beaded off nicely, so the jackets are good to go. Take out on the next adventure to keep dry, keep warm, and have a great time. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll put some more videos up.